It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, March 27th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will be unseasonably cold for the next 2 nights. We have frost and freeze advisories in effect. So let's go in there and talk about it. Large upper trough over the eastern part of the nation today, pulling down the colder air. Keep in mind, the average high today would be about 70, only 55 in Birmingham at mid-afternoon. Haleyville in the upper 40s. They've got 47, and most spots will likely be very close to freezing early tomorrow morning. Around the nation this afternoon, temperatures below freezing, even at midday around the Great Lakes. That's the air we stay in through Sunday morning. There's a look at the various frost and freeze advisories issued by the National Weather Service in Birmingham and Huntsville. Technically, Birmingham and Tuscaloosa with a frost advisory. Everybody else with a freeze warning. Most locations will be somewhere between 29 and 34 by daybreak tomorrow and Sunday as well. Rain for the next 5 days. Moisture comes back early next week. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 inch, and this is valid through Wednesday evening. All right, model fans, here's the GFS. This is the Global Forecast System, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Again, it's a high-amplitude pattern, western ridge, eastern trough. Underneath the trough, it's going to be a chilly day, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. We note the GFS only printing a high of 48 for Birmingham tomorrow. And a disturbance rotating down the backside of the trough, squeezing out a few sprinkles or snow flurries, or maybe some graupel for places like Memphis, Jonesboro, Arkansas. And that will be rotating into Alabama tomorrow afternoon. This is what it looks like at 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. And you can see the high-res NAM suggesting there could be a few sprinkles or a few patches of light rain over places like Tuscaloosa, Gordo, Reform, Sulligent, and Fayette. We have the air show in Tuscaloosa tomorrow, so just keep in mind there could be a few raindrops out there, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal, just something to plan on. But Sunday, we're dry. We start the day again in the low 30s, and then a warming trend begins Sunday afternoon. The high will likely be in the low to mid-60s. But Monday of next week, a warm front moves north. The sky will be cloudy. A few passing rain showers are likely. Monday's high should be in the upper 60s. And then Tuesday, a pretty good chunk of the day looks relatively dry. Any showers should be widely spaced. The high Tuesday will likely be in the lower 70s. And then Wednesday, deeper moisture moves in. But again, look at this as a different look this time. We have this very deep surface low that is over North Dakota and not over Arkansas. How's that for a change? So while it certainly looks like we'll have a chance of showers Wednesday of next week, we do not expect a severe weather issue with looks like that. And then on Thursday, the surface low is very deep over Canada, under 990 millibars, and the moisture begins to move out with the dry slot coming in. So, and again, this will change. We're still, 5-6 days out, but at the moment, it looks like severe weather not likely on Wednesday and Thursday of next week, but definitely a chance of showers and storms, especially on Wednesday. And this is Friday, another trough developing over the east, and you can see a surge of colder air dropping in. This is suggesting maybe some rain showers Friday morning and colder air moving in here later in the day. Here's the end of the forecast on the 6th of April. This time we have troughing in the west, and that looks mild and unsettled with a chance of showers and maybe a thunderstorm. Temperatures coming off the ensemble, you can see lows at 31 for Birmingham, both tomorrow morning and Sunday morning. We go back up in the 70s, maybe touching 80 by Thursday of next week. However, we see a cooling trend around Saturday, April 4th, but at this point, we don't expect any freezing temperatures the way things look now. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here by Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the updates here tomorrow and Sunday. You can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.